My name is Pete Ceglinski and I'm the CEO and co-founder at Seabin. Seabin, or the Seabin Project, is solutions for ocean plastics, ocean health. We did the most obvious thing in the world that no one had thought of. We used the lateral thought process of, if you have rubbish bins on land, why not put them in the water? The way that Seabin became a reality was taking the sketch, putting it into Adobe, taking the leap of faith to build a prototype and putting it in the water was just the best thing in the world. So a Seabin is literally a trash can with a water pump on the bottom and a filter in the middle. We install it in harbours, marinas, yacht clubs, lakes, rivers. It's not out at sea, it's upstream, close to the problem.
My name is Batrouney and my role is Operations and Experience at Seabin. We're currently in the Ocean Health Lab at Glebe Island on Sydney Harbour, and this is where all of the data, or most of the data in Sydney Harbour, arrives and is sorted by our lab technicians. We say data because it's a nice scientific word, but it's rubbish basically. We're creating a really important data set that can be shared with the public, businesses and government, and we can start to educate people. The problem of plastic pollution is massive. In a 12-month period in Sydney Harbour, we collected enough plastic bags to cover 37 football fields. Seabin's spreading all across the globe. We're now activating full cities, which we're calling smart cities, and we're on a mission to activate 100 cities by 2050, and that's where we can have a huge global impact.
Success for me is so simple. It's to go swimming and only see fish and not see trash. It's to enjoy the environment pollution-free. If anyone in the Adobe community wanted to help get the message out there, we can fix it, there's solutions. You can do it so creatively with imagery, videos. There's a lot that we can do. Not any one person or one company can solve the world's problem of plastic pollution. It's community-driven solutions that will fix the world's greatest problems.